Hello, stellar people. And today is a short, beautiful bee's kiss doodle in watercolor. And I say doodle because it's not really a plan. I didn't really plan this video. It's just something I did just to do it. I want to go in with some watercolor. It's rough, it's loose, it's fresh. So let's do it. So as you can see here, I'm just blocking in the character. With watercolor, there's no underneath drawing. I'm just straight watercolor. And this is her basic definition for her head and her hair. Now I'm adding some eyes and some basic features so that she looks somewhat decent. And this is just blocking in just to give myself an idea of where I'm going, because I don't really know. I rarely do this. Right now I'm just doing it to see if I can do it. Now blocking in her hair is this light brown, which won't stand out too much, but just gives me an idea of where I'm going. So this is a very, very basic of her face. And now I'm going over all of it with a unifying flesh, an orangey flesh tone. This will bring all the separate pieces all together unified. And now we're going back to define her face with this brown hair. And in general, darks push back and lights push forward or pull forward, however we want to say it. So dark hair will push her face forward. So I'm helping to separate now her hair and the various tones of her hair. She's got some stripes. Trying to define those eyes. Now, one of the best things about watercolor is that if you go in light, you can then go in on top of it, of what you've already or previously done with a darker color, with very minimal disruption. And now this is the detailing phase. I have it pretty much where I want it. Now we're just punching up the colors and solidifying some things that were unclear. So I want the highest contrast to be around her eyes, where the white of her eyes and the darkness of her lashes will give a good contrast to make her eyes the focus. A little detailing under her chin. Some wet into wet for her neck. And some colors some light shade to push that back. And some final details for the eyes. I usually put on my darks as the last final push. Some final details for her neck. And there we have it. Beautiful bee's kiss. Just a quick doodle with watercolor. No underlying drawing. Just straight watercolor onto paper. And I hope you enjoyed that short, brief demo. As a bonus, and on the next video will be our return to our regularly scheduled Beautiful Bee's Kiss illustration with all the various layers and really going for it. So I hope to see you then. Keep shining.